Alex, we're out of time, so I want to go straight to stock picks. Lewis is your pick. Trading update today, 55 to 65% up. This is a stock that's on a PE of 7 and a dividend yield of 9. Alex, your pick for today, a cheap as chip stock.
Yeah, certainly. So we're very happy shareholders in Lewis, and I think this update is even better than our very bullish estimates. And I think important to note is that Lewis has been investing materially into the advances book. And this usually takes 2 to 3 years before you start seeing earnings coming through. And I think we're starting to see the evidence of that now coming. The collections remain exceptionally well since COVID years. So you see the bad debts are well controlled. And I think and also look at overall consumer. We think with interest cuts coming down and probably going to pick up a little bit more consumer spending as the year goes on. We think Lewis is very, very well positioned at the moment. And even from this high base of earnings, we think they can further grow earnings, albeit it'll be much lower levels. And after they get the balance sheet a bit more under control because they're investing a lot of money, they'll probably return back to special dividends and share buybacks, which they've done historically as well. So this is a company that gives money back into the shareholders' pocket and is delivering growth. And if the CEO there, no one knows more about furniture retail than anyone, Insolent. So we're very happy to back him.
Yeah, stock up 16%. And it's one of my favorite charts that the share is an issue with Lewis, and it just always goes down. Chantal, you're going with Mondi.
Yes. So, I mean, Mondi has been one of those stocks that have been under pressure for the last 5 years. It's kind of oscillated around current levels. At first, there was a lot of negativity around Mondi's exposure to Russia, and then there was also a cyclical downturn in paper and packaging prices. We're now seeing pricing improve. Mondi has exited from Russia, but the share price has done absolutely nothing. So the expectation is that we could see price increases really supporting revenue, and operational leverage in that business is very high. So my expectation is that we'll get really strong profitability coming through over the next few years, and the market hasn't seemed to adjust for any of those positives that have come through from Mondi over the last few weeks.
Yeah, and that share's trading, as you say, as at the levels it was after the Russian invasion of Ukraine back in Feb 2022. We'll leave that there. It's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Alex Duys and Umthombo Wealth, going with Lewis, Chantal Marx, FNB Wealth and Investments with Mondi. Up next, the close. Stay watching.